Welcome to Crash Course Hotels. Welcome back. Today's crash course is the Hanoi Lotus Boutique Hotel. Here's a look in the room. You can see you have a nice little desk area with a mini fridge underneath. Wide open, nothing in there. I kind of prefer it that way, to be honest with you. Here you have plenty of space to throw all your luggage. And then you have the little closet off to the side along with your safe. Of course, the water heater. There you got an extra comforter should you need one. I guess maybe in the winter time that might be possible. You can see a little more room in this room here. Here's the bathroom. Pretty tight there by the toilet, but the shower's a little larger space. Let me share my thoughts as far as what my first impressions were. Okay, so we just finished the check-in here at the Hanoi Lotus Boutique Hotel. And first impressions are rather favorable, a little more spacious than the last place that we stayed. The air condition cooled down the room in like 2 seconds flat, which is always good. And there's a little more space in the bathroom. We're going to see how it is walking around the old quarters from this hotel, and we'll try to grab you a little footage of something to go see. Something that was interesting is we were told when we checked in to go downstairs in the morning and she'll walk us over to wherever we get breakfast. And it's like a 2-minute walk. So that's something a little bit unique, and we'll see how that goes. It might be pretty good if they have a deal with one of the local restaurants. All right, until then, I'll talk to you soon. Okay, so actually the deal they have is with a sister hotel, but that's all right. We're going to take the walk over there real quick. We'll show you what the local area looks like, and I'll give you a good little spot to grab something to eat or grab an amazing smoothie, and that's right here along the way. This little spot I'm about to point out to you was so good that when we stayed in another hotel in the area, we found ourselves walking back over here just because they did such a good job. We enjoyed dinner over here multiple times. You'll see right here to the left, there's 2 openings. You can sit either there or right here. Like I said, they have good food here. They have a wide variety of selections, things like fried rice or banh or whatever, a large selection of food, and their smoothies are outstanding. So highly recommend that. You can see the nice lady from the hotel is showing us exactly where to walk the first time we walked over. The rest of our stay we just walked over by ourselves, obviously. But it's a quick walk over here, and this is giving you a good idea what the local neighborhood looks like. I'll say that all these boutique hotels, the advantage they have over some of the other larger chain hotels that we stayed at during our visit to Hanoi is character. There's just so many things that you can experience right outside of the hotel. Like we stayed at the Landmark, which is a very nice hotel, but it's in the business district. So obviously for you to do anything fun or touristy, you have to kind of get a grab ride to another part of town. Whereas these boutique hotels are in the midst of it, and you can just step outside of your hotel and go explore. There's restaurants, shops, all kinds of things to check out. Okay, so we made it over here to the breakfast. And like I told you before, these boutique hotels, the pattern's usually the same. Every one that we stayed at, they have a small buffet. This one's a little bit larger. They have plenty of hot food right here. They also have coffee, juice, and then they will have a la carte items that you can order from the table after sitting down. But once again, good value at this hotel and another excellent location to explore this area of Hanoi. There we go. You can see you have some options there. We'll continue on. Next episode, we'll give you another boutique from Hanoi. Until then. Thanks for watching. Here's another video I think you might enjoy as well.